Bun ngot Nongkitkam Jong kaseng TMC ha Meghalaya kelas Shah Thombor persah Nongkitkam Jong kaseng NPP ha kajaka tap vote ha chad bata para kabadan ha Phulbari Assembly Constituency Jong ko West Garo Hills hinden kami ha kapor shipau shiteng ha kaba Nongkitkam Jong kaseng NPP kilalet ben penklumar ha kajaka bala penlong ya kajingalang da kaseng TMC ha kabay David kani unos rule Hog uba san pukandai senam karta ola mensau bat Nongkitkam Jong kaseng kilalet ban kitnoi u sha Phulbari CHC Hospital. Ukertong kaseng TMC Meghalaya USGS matur mominin ula yakran ringkat Nongkitkam ki badan hapadeng ka jing mensau. Ha ka kapor kaseng Kongres Meghalaya menta kasi kala ong ba ka jing huri hura haswa ka jing thep vote ha Phulbari Constituency West Garo Hills ka tega kam bala penkre khnang daki seng sign perthai ban job ki election. Kaya Election Commission Jong kari India kalah syam kilat kelentia kabay David kini ke jingja Phulbari Constituency. Ka Commission kalah pa yo SDO bodu SDPO ringkat bat ki BDO ban kami bini ahlor kini ke jingja. Ki pulet jong ka sarkar pedeng kalah syam kiai ki kampahra ha kini ke than. Ladat paru ya likely ki kan hon pulet Shah kini ke jaka.
This injured people were taken to Phulbari CHC for necessary treatment. This is really very shocking that without any permission this procession was led and this unfortunate incident has happened.